Hi, my name's Taylor McCaslin, and I'm a principal product manager at GitLab working with our static analysis team. Today, I'm going to give you a quick update on our plans for 13.9 releasing February 22nd. First, I want to point you to a new page about how the GitLab static analysis team works and prioritizes. You'll find details about our process and can view workboards we use daily. You can find this link and all the other issue links we discuss in this video in the video description below. Moving on to product features. We continue to work to make our security configuration page available to all users, making it easy to understand what GitLab security tools you have access to, as well as quickly enabling them via a merge request. This builds on our previous release, making it easy for all customers to interact with security scan artifacts within merge requests. Next, one of our major focuses is to replace one of our linter SAST analyzers with SymGrep, a popular open source tool that has flexible rules and easy to write syntax for customizing or writing your own code detection rules. Our ambition is to greatly simplify the GitLab SAST analyzers around SymGrep to make it easier to maintain and add more consistent flexibility for writing rules in a consistent manner. We'll likely start with Bandit, our Python analyzer, or ESLint, our JavaScript and TypeScript analyzer. We encourage anyone interested in SymGrep to express interest on the issue, as we'll be looking for beta testers. Should the adoption of SymGrep be successful, we'll deprecate our old SAST analyzers in a future release. However, there's no immediate change. We'll also be announcing details for multiple SAST variable deprecations coming in 13.10 and being removed in 14.0 later this year. Finally, we're experimenting with improving the accuracy of our SAST and secret detection findings through a new vulnerability tracking method. Our vulnerability research team has a proof of concept method for improved tracking of vulnerable code as it moves locations during a project's lifecycle. We'll put this new method to the test with real-world data before potentially rolling out this new tracking method in a future release. Overall, that's a quick look at our 13.9 static analysis plans. I think it's going to be a great release, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great one.